Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and we're back with another exciting Euro oil change with our good man Manny. Now Manny is a real enthusiast. He's given me a hell of a ride, and this is what, a 118, right?
Yeah,
this one
318, yeah.
318 being built, but today we're doing an AMSOIL oil change and engine flush on the 04. This is a 330i BMW 2004. So the first thing we do is throw in the engine flush. Manny's already got it open. Let's dump it in. Get her in. It's a nice clear gold. And Manny's also a mechanic.
Yeah.
And it's going to be cool to see his reaction because he's never tried this stuff. So we're going to be getting this from a hardcore mechanic. We're going to be getting the feedback. So yeah, awesome. So now all we do is let her idle now for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's what we're going to do. So we'll throw the cap on, we'll start her up. And then we're going to be dumping all the charcoal and all that's coming out, all that junk. All right, let's start her up. Ooh, here we go. So now we just let her purr. We're going to let her purr here for about 15 minutes. So here's a little before and after. This right here is before. This is the after. Now we're gonna throw in the PI Performance Improver. Manny's just grabbing the top. It's like tacoing a little tip on it. Boom. Got the gasless gas cap compatible tip. And this goes in every 4,000 miles. And there she goes. Boom. Gulpa, gulpa, gulpa. And what this does, cleans the valves, cleans the injectors, cleans all the carbon deposits out of the combustion chamber. And speaking of it, Manny said, he goes, I just took the old engine apart out of the, this is a 118, right?
Yes,
118?
318.
318, oh.
4-cylinder.
All right, so show us the valves.
Let's see.
Let's see the valves. So we just put that PI cleaner in about, what was it, a week ago? 2 weeks ago?
Yes, yes.
All right, so he's got the light on. Here's the motor.
Just with that little period of time, you can see the inside of the valves are like insanely clean for a car that has like more than 250 something miles.
Wow. Yeah, that is really weird why it's real clean there, huh?
And this car has been mistreated too, and even then you can still see how clean that looks.
Wow, looks good. All right. All right, we're going to start up the car again. And, all right, we'll finish her up here. All right, Manny's cracking the filter just so the oil leaks down in. And what that's going to do when we drain her, it's going to drain a little bit quicker and stuff. We got the oil cap off. And that is, what size mill is that?
32.
32 mil. Boom.
Oh, sorry, 36.
36. All right, 36 for
36.
the oil cap.
Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome. And shabooboo. Out with the old. Beautiful. Awesome. And we'll show the and we're gonna drop our load here. We got our 17 mil socket. And the oil drain bolts right there. Right there she is. Drop the load. It's gonna come out like water.
It's hot.
Oh yeah, it's super hot. After that flush, and there she blows. This sounds like a damn stream.
Somebody's taking a lick.
Oh yeah. All right, beautiful. This is an OEM man filter, and then this is the AMSOIL filter. The difference is the back plating. There's no reinforcement on this one. You got a reinforcement. And then here's the AMSOIL filter, 99% efficiency at 20 microns. And then this filter is good for 15,000 miles. Now what we're gonna be doing though is we're gonna be changing this filter at, we're going to be changing her out at about 2,000 to 5,000 because Manny, how many miles are on this little angel?
240 something K.
All right, 240,000 miles. So there's a ton of buildup in this motor. And as you can see, a lot of it came out, which it's still coming out.
Yeah.
And he's just down there just watching her drip. And you'll see it just keeps dripping and it just looks like water. And amazing what it looks like. So he's checking that out. So yeah, so we're going to be coming back and changing that filter. But the oil is comfortably good for, you know, the extended drain intervals of the OEM manufacturers. A lot of mechanics, they never go 10,000 on any oil change, and that's true. With like a synthetic blend or a full synthetic, you don't. But when it comes to AMSOIL being 100% synthetic, the actual difference from like a Mobil 1 to a Signature Series motor oil is 4 times better in turbocharger deposit testing. So it's not like it's, you know, once or twice as good. It's 4 times better in the turbo test. And oil oxidizes exponentially, and for every 18 degrees hotter an oil runs, it oxidizes twice as quick. So those are some figures you'll definitely enjoy. So Manny's slapping on the fresh thing. Grab the bottom, we'll sauce her up a little. Let's see, we'll hold the bottom of this, we'll dump a little bit on. We'll get some of the liquid gold on there, get her nice and wet. Boom. He knows what to do.
Yeah, I normally don't do this, but
yeah, we'll do it for fun.
Just a tiny bit.
Yeah,
we have to
get it on the tip a little bit.
We need to flip it around. We need to flip it around.
Boom. It's going to spill all over, but hey, you got to get it wet.
Let's do this.
Boom. Look at those moves. He does this stuff in his sleep. But yeah, on the channel, the old saying, the wetter, the better. You want to keep it lubed, keep it protected. And sometimes you wear your rubbers. I usually wear them all the time. Manny's going completely natural. But he's a mechanic. So.
I'm at home.
Yeah, he's at home.
Literally.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool. You can see she's still just barely dripping. And we're going to go ahead and cork her up. We got the fresh crush washer on. It happened to come with the oil change kit, or the filter, should I say. And then not too tight on this. What, about 15 pounds, Manny?
Yeah.
That's about it. 15, 20, something like that.
10 newton meters or some miles.
Yeah.
Some miles.
And that's pretty much it. Just a little wrench and you're good. The touch of a mechanic. You're going to see it right here.
And then you feel it crush the washer, and that's it.
And that's it. It's done.
We'll wipe it a little bit and send it.
Yep, perfect. Gonna pour in the liquid gold. Go ahead. Give us a nice tall pour.
Oh boy, there you go. I don't know what's gonna happen here.
Look at that.
Oh my man.
You just never know what's gonna happen. It's like a scary movie. You never know when the killer's coming.
It's like elastic guard.
You never know. Boom! And it goes like that. All right, here we go. Our full saps. What is it? Sulfur, phosphorus. There's low saps. There's all different European motor oil. But this meets and exceeds the specs on this specific motor. Porsche, Mercedes, VW, a lot of the big Euro manufacturers. Shabubu. All right, I'm coming in. Here we go. You're going to see the liquid gold. Let's do it. We'll start out righty and bring her up. Oh, yeah. I can feel it.
Oh no, you're a professional. It's like you've done this before.
It feels so good.
It's like you've done this
You
before.
can even feel the protection. Now I'm coming lefty. We're going to tag team her at the same time. This is it. Let's go. You go righty, I go lefty.
No, man,
Let's
I'm
do
not a
it.
pro like you.
Let's do it.
You're already really high, like. Whoa. Okay, I see. For my oil in there, that's all I want. That's all I want.
This is what I live for.
And let's see where we are. If we are anywhere near.
Oh, you can wipe off the old stuff, yeah. Wipe all the old stuff off there, make sure it's clean. Yeah, that oil coming out really was ugly. Oh my God. It was ugly.
Alright, we are at the tip, but the car is not level, so...
And it hasn't started and circulated through the filter.
Yeah, so we got left to go.
Got 7 quarts going in.
Yeah.
Yep, this takes 6.9 quarts officially, but depending on the motor and all that, it's always good to double check it and stuff. All right, the moment of truth. We're gonna start her up. First start up with AMSOIL. Just tap the button right here, and then you'll see the notification bell. Tap that, and that way you'll be notified when we post a new video later. Manny's got a great Instagame, so check him out on Instagram. And what's your Instagame, Manny?
My Instagram is Manny Shoots.
Manny Shoots.
Yeah, follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of photo shoots. And I take pictures for people, or I go to the car meets. I'm very involved in the Vegas car culture. Just give me a follow and you're gonna get good content.
Yep, so we'll stick that in. All right, do a little U-turn. That felt great. Oh man, that felt so good. And remember, every last Saturday of the month, we have Ebens Giveaway. To be entered, all you do is leave a comment within the first 30 minutes of this video. Just getting out on the street. It'll be cool to get Manny's impressions. This is his very first time trying the liquid gold.
Sounds like gold. Sounds quiet. Sounds mellow. Smooth. Picks up. It's actually very responsive.
Wow.
It feels like I wasn't even trying nothing, and it felt like a different car. I swear, like it. I like it.
This car handles great. Wow. Yeah, we can just go around the block right if you want. It's fine. So we went a whole mile and a quarter. So far, what's the biggest difference, would you say?
It picks up quick. It's like it has less shed in it. Like lighter. I don't know.
Wow.
Balance, really balanced.
Wow. That's awesome. Suspension feels really good too.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's cheap stuff, nothing expensive.
Yeah.
Well, the diff, angle kit, eBay suspension. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, we're gonna head back to the house. Thanks again, Manny, for being a huge part of the channel.
No problem.
Good man.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you. Thank you. And hey, we got the word from a mechanic that works in these cars every day. It's always cool to have share the experience and to get different opinions and feedback. And I love the Euro cars.